Keyboard replacement on Asus X556UB laptop. Thank you to Sir Bernard for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Unscrewing the back cover. Investing in a laptop keyboard can be a smart choice for maintaining your laptop's condition and performance. It ensures smooth typing, prevents further damage, enhances resale value, and offers customization options. Unscrewing the inside screws. Removing the battery. Removing the 2.5 SSD. Unscrewing the motherboard. Removing it. Removing the plastic cover. Comparing the connector of the new keyboard if it's correct. What Cortana I think that. In order to get the proceed. So this is very time-consuming process. Removing the old keyboard, getting the new one, installing it. Replacing a keyboard on a laptop with soldered plastic locks presents several challenges. Firstly, the soldered connections between the keyboard and the motherboard are permanent, requiring desoldering of the old connections and soldering of new ones. This process demands specialized equipment and expertise to avoid damaging the delicate components surrounding the keyboard. Additionally, the plastic locks used to secure components inside laptops are fragile and prone to breakage if mishandled during disassembly. Careful removal of these boxes is necessary to prevent damage. Furthermore, the risk of inadvertently damaging other components or causing overheating during the soldering process adds to the complexity of the task. Given these challenges, replacing a keyboard with soldered plastic locks is best entrusted to experienced technicians with the requisite skills and tools to ensure a successful repair without further harm to the laptop. Also, we install new Wi-Fi card to have coverage for 5 gigahertz, putting the HDD caddy, putting back the battery end, finally installing the back cover. Keyboard replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.